Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to your 7th C++ tutorial. In this tutorial, we will continue where we left off. In the last tutorial, we learned about conditional statements, how it works. So, this condition is true, this gets executed, and this gets skipped over. Otherwise, this gets executed. So, what if we want more than one conditional statement? Well, we could actually put in another if statements, and then have x determine if x is equal to 9, and print out almost there. Another major point. And if we run this program, it's going to do what we expected because this is false, so this gets skipped over. This is true, and this gets executed, and this gets skipped over. But what if we actually made x equal to 8? You should only print out this, right? Well, let's see. Let's run this. Yes, it printed out this. However, it printed out that x does not match. Why is that? So, as we see here, it checks to see if x equals to 8, which it does. So it prints out this. However, it goes to here. It does not skip over the statement. It goes to here and checks to see if it equals to 9. And it doesn't. And it skips over. And since these two are linked together, so usually when you do an if statement, if you put an else statement after the if statement, this works together technically. So if this is true, this gets skipped over. If not, this gets executed. And since x doesn't equal 9, this gets executed. And that's why you have this printout. So how can we actually make this true, skip over the rest? Well, all you need to do is put else if statement, and that's what it's going to do. It's going to see if this is true, and if it is, it executes and it skips the rest of it over. If this is true, this gets executed and it skips over this. So if we run this program, it prints out like we expected. So x is actually equals to 8, so it prints out this. It skips the rest of it over. You could also put more than one else if statements. Just make else if x is equal to 7, but just print out lower than 8. And what it's going to do here is it's going to check to see if any of these statements is true. If this statement is false, it goes to here. If it's true, it gets executed, the rest of it skips. If it's false, it goes to the next statement. If this is true, this gets executed, it skips over the else statements. But if it's false, it goes to else, and it prints out this. x does not match. So let's just change the value to 7, and if we run this program, it should print out. And it did. It printed out lower than 8 as expected. Hopefully you found this video helpful. In the next tutorial, we're gonna write code way better than this. There's a better way of writing code than this. We don't usually use it. It's really useful if you don't want to write all of this code. If you like my video, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.